Good evening, good morning, and welcome to the 5 Luo Words a Day. This is day number 50, and I appreciate all that have stuck with us for the last 50 days. Now that means you have learned 250 Luo words. Today we shall learn about Andhoga, Andhum, Andili, anding'o. So those are the words we are learning today. So let's look at them together. The first word is Andhoga. Andhoga. Andhoga is a traitor or an adultery. Andhoga. In a sentence, you can say, Mano en tim mar andhoga. Mano en tim mar andhoga. That's a traitor's characteristic. Andhoga. Our second word is Andhum. Andhum. Andhum is an abnormal tree growth. Like you can see on my picture, there's a tree growth up there on the side, this part here. So this can be called Andhum. Andhum. So in a sentence, you can say, Yien ni kod andhum e kore. Yien ni kod andhum e kore. So this tree has an abnormal growth on its back. And this is the abnormal growth, andhum. The third word of the day is Andili. Some people say nyandili, andili, or nyandili. That's a unique or one and only. Unique meaning it's the only one of the kind. In a sentence, we can say Ma en nyathi ma andili. Ma en nyathi ma andili. This is a unique child, or a child that is one and only, cannot be found anywhere else. Our fourth word is anding'o. Anding'o. Anding'o is a disease called mumps, which results in swollen glands. So tuo mar anding'o omako nera. That's a sentence. Tuo mar anding'o omako nera. So my uncle has contracted mumps. Tuo mar anding'o omako nera. And our last word of the day is anding'o, but this time anding'o is a large volcanic rock. Anding'o. It's a large volcanic rock where there is no growth is possible, like you can see in the picture. Amoyo leuni e luanda mar anding'o. Amoyo leuni e luanda mar anding'o. So most of the places where there is an anding'o rock are also called anding'o. Like there's one in southern part of Nyanza. In Kanyamkago area, there is anding'o, where there's a large volcanic rock. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please tell your brother, tell your sister, tell someone else, your friend, to subscribe, and please give a like to the video, because likes help us move and helps the videos to be discovered by everybody else. And I'll see you tomorrow on day number 51. I hope we are moving all to day number 100. Bye-bye. Oriti.